Hello everyone. Are you the one who fears trolling? And if you do, then I think you shouldn't. You should unapologetically be yourself. Here's my take on trolling, and I'd like to read it out to you. The topic is why trolling doesn't affect me anymore. If you take trolling as fun, it remains fun. Just laugh along while the world makes fun of you. It's good to have critics, but not to become one. That's what sets you apart. Ask yourself, what difference does it really make what the world thinks about you? The only thing that truly matters is you and your happiness. Trolling, after all, is often the job of the jobless. So be grateful if you're not someone who trolls others. Let trollers do what they do. They still haven't lost interest in your life. If they're watching you so closely, it means you still matter to them. Let them talk. Why should you prove yourself to anyone? You don't need external approval to be happy. You don't need to change yourself for others. If someone sees you as cheap, they reflect their own mindset, not yours. Their attitude, their eyes, their lens. That's where the problem lies. Be yourself. Only change if you feel the need to grow, not because others expect it. Pressure only works when you allow it to. And those who try to bring you down, they're usually fighting their own insecurities. By criticizing others, they temporarily feel stronger. But in reality, they reveal their weakness, the truth about trolling. You don't get trolled unless you believe you are. Trolling only hurts if you feel weak or crave others' sympathy. But if you accept that you don't know everything and are willing to learn, that's not your weakness, that's your wisdom. It's often those wearing masks of false confidence who mock others because deep down they're afraid of being exposed. So stand firm. Let your strength be felt without the need to crush anyone else. Because if you hurt others just to feel strong, you're no different from the ones who hurt you. Reflections from my journey. There was a time I cried during every low point in my life. The highs made me happy, the lows crushed me. But over time, I learned something. Don't be too happy during the ups, they're temporary. Don't be too sad during the downs, they are too. These days, I often feel emotionally neutral, numb maybe. But I'm thankful for everything life has taught me. Most days, I no longer feel like a loser. Some days I do. That's okay too. Maybe with time, I'll even learn what losing means. But I know this much, ups and downs never stay, but they leave behind wisdom. They often soften you towards others and strengthen you within. You stop judging, you stop mocking, because you know what it feels like to walk in someone else's pain. No more mask. I wish I had known all this earlier in my life. But I'm glad I know it now. I've dropped the mask. I've let go of ego and pride. And in that process, I have finally found myself. Not for anyone else, but for me. I can't rewrite my past, but I can create a better present for a future I deserve. Who cares what others think of me? I'll do what feels right to me. This is my life. I need no certifications and validations. And now the funny part. After writing all this, I ask myself, what's the spelling of trolling again? And what does it even mean? Did you catch the humor? That's what trolling is to me now. Just something to laugh at. Just another writing prompt. Your garbage becomes my creative gold. That's what trolling does to me. So go ahead, trollers, bring it on. I'm ready for the next one. Thank you.